Morning everyone, I am Adarsh Misra from. Today I am standing here to say about programming. Programming is a process of writing instruction for a computer to perform a task. It is a collaboration between a human and a computer to solve the program. How program works? Program work in a various process. First, program write a set of instruction called a code in a programming language. Second, compiler convert the code into a language that can computer easily understand. Third, a computer executes the instruction to solve the problems. What is used for? A program is used for various processes. First, business software. Programming allow business to store the files and automate tasks and to connect the globally everyone. There are different type of programming. First, imperative language. Second, functional language. Third, markup language. Fourth, scripting language. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to everyone. Today I am going to saying about the generation of computer. There are the 5 generation of computer, and the first generation is a vacuum tube. It was developed in the 1942 to 1953. It is a massive size and high power consumption. It has a limited programming capability. And the second generation is a transistor. Transistor was developed in the 1954 to 1963. It is a smaller size and lower power consumption. It has a improved programming capability. And the third generation is a IC. IC stand for integrated circuit. It was developed in the 1964 to 1973. It is a further minimization, lower power consumption, and it's developed of the operating system. And the fourth generation is a microprocessor. Microprocessor was developed in the 1974 to 2006. It is a developed of the personal computer emerged, and it is a further it has a personal computer emerged, and GUI is developed. And the fifth generation is a AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It is developed in the 2007, and its present as feature. AI, the term of artificial intelligence, it is a human intelligence in machine, and the first conquered the research by John McCarthy in 1956. AI machine can learning neural network, internet, worldwide irrigation. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Shreyans Raj. Today I am speak about the software. Software is a collection of program and instruction and data the computer to perform a specific task. It is broadly classified into 3 types: system software, application software, and utility software. System software, it comprises the operating system like Windows, Mac, OS, Linux, etc. Application software, it comprises the programming like word processor, media player, and browser. Utility software like IDEs and compilers help developers to create a new program. Software can be tolerated to make a specific task and business needs. Regular updates improve the functionality, security, and performance. Open source software is free to use, while proprietary software has restrictions. Software can be used in various fields like healthcare and entertainment. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. Good morning to all of you. My name is Sandhya Yadav. Today I am talking about the computer memory. Computer memory refers to the hardware component that store the data temporarily and permanently within a computer system. It play a circus role in computer system. It play a circle role in computer system. There are 2 types of computer memory. First, primary memory, and second, secondary memory. Primary memory, also called internal memory, and secondary memory, also called external memory. Internal memory store the data temporarily while computer is running, and secondary memory store the data for permanently. Internal memory is an example of RAM and ROM. RAM stand for read only memory, and RAM stand for random access memory. External example for CD, DVD, or HDD. CD stand for compact disc, and DVD stand for digital video disc. CD is a capacity of 700 MB, and DVD capacity of 4.7 GB. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today I am speak about AI. AI stands for artificial intelligence. It is developed in 1956 by John McCarthy.
It is refers to simulation of human intelligence in machines that are programmed to think and learn like humans. Features of AI. First, AI can acquire and apply knowledge from data. Second point, AI can solve problems using logical deduction. Third point, AI can identify solution to complex problems. Fourth point, AI can perform tasks with minimal human intervention. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Priyanka from Standard 7. Today I'm speak about AI. AI is artificial intelligence, the branch of computer science where human intelligence thinking power artificially implement through technology-based machine. AI Computers are introduced to mimic cognitive units that can computer think like human and learning solving problem etc are the intelligent display by AI machine. AI define itself as the study of the can perceive its environment and take action. It's greatly advance its success in achieving goal. Thank you. That's all. Thank you.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Pritam Kumar Yadav. Today I am speak about AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. It is fifth generation of computer. It was coined by John McCarthy in 1956. In simple words, AI means a machine that can act and think like a human. AI refer to the principal concept and technology of machine that can think and act like a human. Machine processing AI should be interact with environment by various stimuli, speak recognition and language compression, etc. By received data. The features of AI. It can take fast decision in any situation. It can work 24 into 7. It is more capable than a human. Thanks.
Good morning to all of you. My name is Archana Singh. Today I am speak about computer memory. Computer memory stores data and instructions that the CPU uses for processing information. Computer memory divided into two parts, primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory is also called internal memory and secondary memory is also called external memory. Primary memory is faster than secondary memory, but it has a lower storage capacity than a secondary memory. Primary memory includes RAM, ROM,